जितेंद्र जी, मैं पहले बता दूं कि अभी रवि राणा और उनके वकील बाहर आए हैं। रवि राणा और
जानना चाहेंगे आज क्या हुआ और पेटिशन का चार्ज लगाया गया।
आइए सुनते हैं उनका क्या कहना है।
देखो सुनो, 1-2 मिनट। आप सब लोगों का एक ही सवाल है, मैं जानता हूं क्या है। आप लोग सवाल मत करो, मेरे को बात करने दो। आप लोग चिल्लम चिल्लाट करोगे, कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा। प्लीज कीजिए सवे। आप चुप बैठेंगे तो मैं बोलूंगा। Please keep quiet. 1 minute. Now listen to me one thing very carefully. The remand application which has been filed by Khar police station was confined only to section 153 capital A and charges under the Bombay Police Act. In the remand application, for the first time, the unfairness and dishonesty of the police department is reflected. After the FIR was registered by Khar police station on the complaint of Ravi Rana and Navneet Rana against the other side, there is a second FIR which appears to have been registered by the police against Navneet Rana and her husband Ravi Rana. That is the charge of 353 IPC of obstructing a public servant in discharge of official duties. That, it appears, is in respect of the incident which has taken place at the residence. If the charge of 353 was made out in respect of the incident at the residence, there is no reason why that charge could not have been added in the first FIR of 500. The arrest memo also does not show the charge of 353. For the first time, Public Prosecutor Mr. Gharat, obviously on instruction, he cannot make such a responsible statement without instructions from the police department. So I take it that it is on instruction from the police department. He argued that the case of the accused falls under 124 capital A, which is sedition. When he was called upon by us to show to the court that particular part of the remand application or those words which was supposed to have been uttered by the accused to show disaffection towards the state government, he miserably failed. He was not able to show even a single word which was uttered allegedly either by Ravi Rana or Navneet Rana to show disaffection towards the government. The only contents of the remand application was that they had prepared to come here for the purpose of chanting Hanuman Chalisa. We argued before the court that Hanuman Chalisa is nothing but a praise of Lord Ram, and praise of Lord Ram and as well as praise of Hanuman go hand in hand. So if there is a particular chanting which is done in the presence of a person of another religion, then he may be justified in saying that offence under 153A has been committed. But the place, keep quiet and listen. But the place where the Hanuman Chalisa was supposed to be chanted was outside the house of people who claim to love Ram. They claim to love Lord Ram. And if they love Lord Ram, then question of wanting to chant Hanuman Chalisa should not be affecting them at all. Therefore, those words of chanting Hanuman Chalisa cannot fall within the ambit of 153 capital A, nor can they fall within the ambit of 124 capital A. Because if I praise my Lord, it cannot amount to showing disaffection to the government. It only shows my affection towards my Lord who has created me. So this entire case, please understand, this entire case is a bogus case. They have a very strong feeling that they are standing on loose ground. They are standing on loose ground. They know there is a possibility of release on bail. Therefore, they have prepared for a second FIR. So they are going to arrest him the moment he is released on bail in one case. Then there may be another case. Then there may be another case. We know what is supposed to be done. Please don't ask me what I'm going to be doing because I'm not going to discuss it with you. I am not saying anything more. Whether Hindi, English, I am done.
नवनीत राणा के वकील रिजवान मर्चेंट मीडिया से बात करते हुए कि कोर्ट रूम में जो सरकार पक्ष की तरफ से केस था, उनकी तरफ से जो दलीलें थी वो काफी कमजोर रही और जिस तरह के इल्जाम लगाए गए हैं नवनीत राणा और उनके पति पर वो बिल्कुल भी सॉलिड इल्जाम नहीं है और इसी वजह से कोर्ट ने पुलिस रिमांड नहीं दी है दोनों की, लेकिन जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भेज दिया है 14 दिन के लिए।
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।